Hi, welcome to the art lesson for Benchmark Advanced Unit 1 for 3rd grade. This unit is called Government for the People. We're writing that at the top of our paper. Practicing a little cursive while we're at it too, why not? Now each unit has a guiding question that we refer back to after each text so we can think about the different topics. The guiding question for the first unit is, why do people participate in government? Wonderful. So the picture we're going to start here is going to have 4 hands. We'll outline our hand 4 times. So make sure you have space. It's okay if they have to overlap or go different directions. I'm going to do a different color for each outline. Now, while you're outlining, start thinking of how you would answer this question. Why do people participate in government? One reason you might be thinking of is, well, you can help others. I'm going to write that in the first hand. Thinking of other reasons, why would people participate in government? Another one could be to create jobs.
I'm actually going back to Kansas City for a bit to just spend time with my family, and so a lot of my books are off the shelves and in my car.
Another
So,
reason.
but anyway, Dr. Bergsma, thank you so much for coming on. This was
Another
great.
reason could
Yeah,
be
you're very welcome.
to
You
enforce
know, it's really impressive. That
laws.
article you sent me for me for Joe, and you're doing it's a fantastic scholarship. You know, in terms of biblical apologetics for the church, and just very, very
And
impressive. So,
lastly, people
so
might
glad
be
you could be on
thinking
the
of
table.
how they can
Thank
help
you, Dr. Bergsma.
protect the
All right, well, let's
environment.
get started with just kind of, on the docket. I
Now
have
we have
this
our
first
4
question.
different reasons here. You might be thinking of another one. That's fine. It might fit in one of these categories or not. We're just going to think about the top 4 that our text in this unit is going to cover. I'm going to go through and think of some drawings that can be represented by these topics. We're doing this because drawing helps us remember, using a different part of our brain here. For protecting environment, I'm thinking of, okay, nature, things that people might want to keep safe and might want to protect. So I put some representations of the sky, the ocean, nature, the planet. Helping others, I put a heart because you care for others. Creating jobs, put money. Jobs are how we earn our money, by working and participating. So I was thinking of some different representations of jobs, like different hats, maybe a construction worker's hat or a police hat. That's my baby in the background. Enforcing laws, I put a little law written on a piece of paper. Then helping others, putting people holding hands, helping each other. And if you could think of other drawings that help you remember any of these topics, great, put that in there. I'm thinking of the justice system, putting that little balance there, a police badge. Putting some other symbols of jobs like doctors, equipment, tools. Putting some hands shaking, like people making agreements. If you can think of some others, go ahead and share.